Today, I'll show you how to change or switch between Gemini and Google Assistant on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, the first thing you need to do is actually change the digital assistant on your phone to anything else other than TECNO's default, which is Ella. So you change your voice from Ella to Google so that you can be able to switch between the Google digital assistants. Now I've done a separate video which I'll link down below to show you how to do that. But once you do that, simply find the Google app. So for me, I'll tap on that Google folder and select Google. And then here I tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then select settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down and find, so here you want to tap on Google Assistant, and then under Google Assistant you want to scroll down and find digital assistants from Google. Tap on that, and if it's set to Gemini, you can select Google Assistant and tap on switch, or if it's set to Google Assistant, you can switch to Gemini and then tap on switch once again. And that's going to switch that, and then tap on use Gemini, and now from now on it's going to use Gemini. Now if you go to the same settings and select settings once again, you can also tap on Gemini, and then you can scroll down and find digital assistants from Google, and you can also switch them from here. But that's basically how to switch between Gemini and Google Assistant on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.